Your business key performance indicators track the most relevant activities and results to drive real and measurable success. This means that if these key performance indicators that I'm going to explain to you fail, your small business is headed for failure. It doesn't matter if you are a startup, a growing small business, or a major enterprise. If you do not know what KPIs are correlated to the success of your business, I can guarantee that you will eventually mismanage your business. Today, I'm focusing on the results that are important to measure in small businesses with annual revenue between 0 and 1 million per year, each one laser focused on how every team member in your small business can move the needle on revenue, cash flow, and customer love. One of the most important KPIs for a small business and one of the most overlooked is revenue per employee. In a small business, every dollar counts. How much money do full-time team members help the business generate? Or to put it in another way, if your business is earning $450,000 per year with a team of 3 people, that means each person performs activities that help the business generate around $150,000 per person. As a reference, a small business with a turnover of 1 million per year should, in most cases, have a maximum of 5 or 6 employees, including you, producing between $150,000 and $200,000 per person. Use this as a guideline to improve your revenue per employee, improving the efficiency of your business processes until you achieve this numerical balance. Another piece of data you should measure in your small business is the sales conversion rate. A closing approach is not free. The time, the team, and resources required to make a sales attempt have a financial and operational cost for the business. If your sales conversion rate is low, it will be endanger the sustainability and longevity of your business. The sales conversion rate measures how many of those leads that you and your team try actively to close in a sale are actually converted into paying customers for your product or service. The way to improve your sales conversion rate is to train your team and improve your sales closing processes to convert a higher percentage of those leads into cash. Another important KPI for your small business is customer acquisition cost. In a business below 1 million annually, inefficient customer acquisition cost can eat your margin alive. Customer acquisition cost means how much do you need to expend in marketing, sales, and team efforts to acquire an actual customer. Knowing how much it costs each member of your sales team to attract, persuade, and close a customer lets you reward top performers and refine or retrain the rest of your team members. One metric that can directly increase or decrease your business revenue is lead response time. How long does it take your team or your automations to respond for the first time to a potential customer who shows interest in what you sell? This could be a person who comes to your physical store or by phone with an inquiry, or it could be someone who writes to you via email, WhatsApp, or through your business social media channels. Fast responders not only close more, they build trust. It's known that the sooner you respond to these contacts, the more likely you are to close them in sales. This is when the potential customer is showing interest in what you sell. Something that makes it easier to close a sale is trying to close a sale right in the moment when the lead is most interested in moving forward with you. Therefore, if you are quick and take advantage of this window of opportunity, you can close more sales. Measure the average response time through the different contact channels you make available to your potential customers and look for for ways to make at very least that first contact with a new lead as fast as possible. If you can take a maximum of 5 minutes to respond, do not take 10. The last metric we will discuss today, which you should measure for the survival of your small business and to be able to grow it to 1 million or more annually, is the average deal size. Bigger deals mean fewer sales you need to close to hit targets, freeing your team to focus on quality, upsells and cross-sells to increase revenue. How much you can charge depends on the market niche your business is in, but you can always look for opportunities to create larger deals. You can create bundles, annual memberships, and increase the value you provide to the customer so you can charge more for each product or service. Evaluate your average deal size and look for ways to increase your prices while your customers still want to buy from you. You can become super specialized in one task or slightly rework your product so that the customer perceives he is receiving more value while it costs you the same to provide your product or service. There is no way you can manage and grow effectively a small business without understanding your KPIs. These 5 key performance indicators measure 5 practical aspects that predict the health of your small business and whether you are managing it for success or failure. Measure these 5 metrics for your small business and make the necessary adjustments to improve these results, which are so important to your success. Only if you know what results you are achieving with these KPIs and how to improve them will you be able to drive the growth of your small business predictably, with clarity and control over what you are doing and what you need to change to grow. If you have any questions about how to apply all of this, subscribe to the channel and watch my other videos where I explain in greater detail, step by step, what you need to do to improve those tasks of your business that will improve your KPIs and allow you to grow. Come on, subscribe and continue on the next video.